Chris.
God.
I love it so much.
I need to see all of them. I might text look it up today. So, because this guy doesn't know anything about it. Yeah, we're gonna show you. You have to watch it. It is a sacred thing. It is. It's like
Hardcore game bro.
yeah. Game bro. It's the definition. Oh God, I love it. What was made?
Wait?
Yeah, like when it
Like 1920.
oh,
This
Yeah.
might have bad quality.
It didn't even have that song when it first came out.
oh.
Yeah. When it first came out, it was Three Little Bears. And like one of the I remember it, one of the bears was like grabbed a handful of the sugar crisps and threw it in the air and ate it. And he's like, it's healthy and nutritious. Like, oh, okay. I really don't trust these little bears, but whatever.
Yeah, you know, these unrealistic bears eating cereal.
Yeah. Kind of weird.
It's a talking girl.
Yeah.
It is something weird.
Go through traffic.
Stop trying to speak!
What?
Oh.
Why you scared me like this?
Oh.
Dang.
Nasty.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. He should probably go, man.
Yeah.
Bye, Josh. Ah! I'm sneezing everywhere.
Two sneezes for the 12th
Are
time.
you?
Bye. You ready? Okay, we should probably go like this. I don't know my allergies are acting up when I get because it gets crazy. Are you recording?
No.